How to enable full screen album art on iPhone lock screen in iOS 16. So the first thing that we need to do is ensure that your iPhone is running at least iOS 16. So go to settings, and as you can see, I am updated to iOS 16.4, so this would do. After checking that, launch the music streaming app of your choice. This could be Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, or whatever music streaming app that you want. I will be using Spotify. Choose and play any music, and then after choosing, lock and wake up your iPhone to view the lock screen, or you can also swipe down from the upper left corner of your screen. By doing this, you will now see the small player here. Tap on the compact album art in the player, and as you can see, the art is enlarged in the full screen of my iPhone. So that is how to enable full screen album art on iPhone lock screen in iOS 16. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.